Very easy 3D zombie flesh gel nail art tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish. Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing you this really easy way of doing a torn skin zombie flesh thing. Now it wouldn't necessarily have to be zombie, it could just be torn skin. If you wanted to do it without the green color, you could do it with a nude colored gel polish instead of that wonderful mossy green color that I used, which would definitely give it just like a ripped skin claw mark sort of appearance. It is so easy to do, I can't even emphasize that enough. This design is like, takes 2 seconds. I did this, I think in about 10 minutes, the whole nail from getting out products to pressing the record button on my camera, the whole thing. It took no time flat, so easy. And I'm also gonna be showing you some gel polish, or not gel polish, but some Acrygel that is from Gelike. It's just the white. You can tint it, and I will show you how to do that, which is one of the things that you have to do for this video. But so easy, so simple, so fast. Definitely salon worthy because it is so quick and easy and it has such a cool wow factor. It's one of those things that could definitely be done in a salon. So I hope you guys like this as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well. So here's the gel that I'm going to be using, my 3D sculpting gel. So this is from Gelike, and so I'm just going to show you, I have some base coat and some top coat that you're supposed to use with it, so I'll be showing you that. And they come in pretty little bottles, but it definitely works for this. And then I'm going to just, there's the white gel. So it's got a very stringy, or a very elastic consistency, I guess is a good way to put it. And it also came with a little dual-ended brush and cutting tool. So I'm going to start by applying a layer of the base coat over the nail. This is especially important if you were obviously doing this on your natural nails, just to protect them. And then I'm going to cut off a piece of my white the white Acrygel, apply that to the nail, and I'll get it overlay over the entire nail. It's fairly thin. This is just your base strength layer. There's going to be another one over the top of it, but you just want to layer across the entire nail just so that you don't end up having some parts of your nail that have nothing on them. So just pat that down into shape. Now, if you, like me, cut off too much of that product, that is okay. Grab a palette, or I'm just using a nail form backing, and take that extra product off and set it onto there. So save that out, save that aside. Don't just wipe it out on your paper towel. Keep that because you are going to be mixing some of this gel later on to help create your zombie flesh. So just save that to the side if you do have extra. Then apply, after that nail is cured, apply a layer of a nice bright red gel polish and cure it again. Then mix some of your red gel polish with the white Acrygel. Now when you're doing this, you have to kind of keep in mind you need it to be a thick enough consistency that it's going to hold its shape, but thin enough, or put in as much gel polish as you can to get the color payoff, because you want it to be as close to red as you can get it, but you can't mix in too much where it ends up getting to be too soupy. So then apply that little mixture you have over the nail. When you're doing this, because it is going to be a little bit stickier than normal, make sure you do have extra liquid in your brush so that it doesn't get your brush all gunky. So I'm constantly going back and wiping my brush and getting some more on there. And then apply a thin layer of that little mixture over your nail, but don't cure it. After you're done applying that on there, don't cure it. Just wait a second. So now I've got that all applied on there. I'm going to be patting it down so it's a nice, good shape for me. And after I have it where I think it's, it's all even across the nail, not cured, I'm going to be applying a layer of some green gel polish. So this is kind of a zombie skin green, what I like to think of it as. It's the perfect color for this if you are curious. It's a wonderful color, but a nice zombie skin green. It's kind of a mossy green. So apply that over, then cure it for, I did it for 10 seconds. Then take a little knife and very carefully cut the gel polish. So the gel polish is going to start to cure, but that Acrygel underneath will not. So then you can just very carefully make your little cuts into it, and then you can kind of push and ooze and get some of that Acrygel out. After you have that done, cure it, and then apply some gel top coat, some matte gel top coat over the green, and then apply that glossy gel top coat over the top of your bloody areas. So all you have to do to make your cuts is actually cut the nail and ooze out the guts. Very simple, very easy, extremely quick. Something that is definitely salon appropriate. You could do this easily in a salon. So I hope you guys like this as much as I do, and please share recreations with me on Facebook or Instagram. I'd love to see them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!